Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy 4-ingredient gluten-free almond cake recipe that makes a lovely treat that's light and simple to prepare. And I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this easy cake. Start by separating the eggs. So I've got my 4 yolks in one bowl and the 4 whites in another. So yeah, there's 4 eggs there. Just separate them out. So they've got separated into 2 bowls and we're going to whisk them up separately. I've also got the oven preheating behind me to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and I've lined a round baking tin with well-greased baking paper so it is ready for me when I am ready. And we're going to set the yolks aside and start by whisking up our egg whites. So I'm going to use electric hand whisk and whisk until we've got lovely meringue whipped egg whites. There you go, that's perfect meringue type egg whites, and now we're going to see to our egg yolks. So I've got my egg yolks back, and now we're going to add to them vanilla, a good teaspoon or so of vanilla, and it just depends how sweet you like your sweet treats, half to a cup even of stevia or sugar, it's up to you. I've gone for half a cup, and we'll just whisk that together. Okay, that's perfect. That is enough of the whisking, and now we'll fold everything together. So add the egg whites into the egg yolks and just gently fold the two together. Don't want to overfold it because we're still going to add in the almond meal. So once it kind of starts coming together like that, then we'll add the almond meal in. So I'm adding it on a whole 200-gram bag, which is about 7 ounces, also about 2 cups of ground almonds. As I said, I'm using ground almonds, but you could use almond flour if you want a finer cake. So just fold everything together until you have a lovely smooth cake batter. There you go. Once you're happy with the consistency of it, you can just move it to your prepared baking tin. So I've got my round baking tin here and just pour in the cake batter. There we go, perfect. And now pop it into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for 30 to 40 minutes, or until it's cooked through and done to your liking, which I will show you next. The cake is out of the oven. Now just allow it to cool completely before you remove it from the tin, and you can frost it or sprinkle over some toppings and slice into it. The cake has cooled completely. I've moved it off onto a plate. You can see it's just lovely and golden, and there's loads of options for serving, for topping. You could top it with your frosting of choice, cream cheese frosting if you want, chocolate frosting, buttercream. You could just add a bit of whipped cream and some fresh berries or fruit, or do as I like to do and just dust over a bit of powdered sugar or icing sugar, just like that. And that is kind of perfect in my opinion, and we will cut a slice from it. And there you go, you can see it's perfect and moist and light inside, while just being just a beautiful cake. It's just so easy, as you saw, and there were just 4 ingredients in this simple cake. But that is the video for today for how to make this lovely simple almond cake. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video and you'll give the cake a try yourself, because it is just so good. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this easy almond cake a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.